Hello, good day. For the product setup of the project that I was doing last week, everything that I worked on for the front end was right here in this section of the project. We are using Nuxt for this project, and Nuxt is a framework of Vue. So as you can see right here, I'm navigating through the different pages and it goes very smoothly without loading the entire content of the page every time. All the transitions happen instantly, and this is one of the advantages of using Vue with Nuxt. And the reason why we use Nuxt is because it allows us to apply different SEOs in different projects and in different pages. Since this project focuses on advertising its services, having SEO flexibility for each page really helps with visibility and reach, which is why Nuxt became our preferred setup. So what I did right here is mainly fixing some few issues throughout the front end section. The first one is right here, which is the implementation of the subdomain based on the information for multiple legal entities. I already followed the design given by our designer for this one, but there was a problem at first because I wasn't able to actually understand clearly that we needed to add a subdomain for this one. The requirement wasn't obvious in the beginning, and I didn't realize that the content had to change depending on the domain being used. So gratefully, one of our team members helped me understand it properly and also already configured the subdomain for us. And as you can see right here in the video that I attached to the ticket, the setup is now working. I'm going to play this one for you. So this right here is the link that I was talking about, the domain. If I go to this domain, you can see that this is the contact information that we use for this domain. We assign this information to that specific domain, so we have this one showing correctly. And then if ever we change to another domain, which is the subdomain, going back here, you can see that it also changed depending on what domain is being used. So the correct information shows for the main domain, and the correct information also shows for the subdomain. That completes the first issue I worked on. The next thing that I did is this one right here, which is fixing the blog content that was showing only plain text with no spacing. As you can see right here, we have this API response. It shows HTML tags like paragraphs and list tags in the content, but in the blog single page, as you can see, it doesn't actually have the spacing or apply the HTML tags based on the API response. For example, we can see that there is a bullet list tag here in the API, but in the actual blog page, it doesn't show the list tag at all. It shows only plain text. So I already fixed that one by installing Tailwind typography so that we can use the pros classes. Those pros classes are used for HTML tags because Tailwind by default doesn't style or override HTML tags, so the formatting was not being applied. Now as you can see right here, it is already working. I'm showing the video right here. Let me just refresh it since the video wasn't playing earlier. So this one right here is the blog that I created. Now the spacing has already been applied, and also as you can see, the bullet points are already showing. So everything is now working the way it should. For the next thing that I'm going to do, it is going to be for another project, which is this one here. This will be what I'm going to work on later. So that's all for my accomplishment, and that is what I'm going to do later. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If the video was helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.